everyone! Welcome back to our channel, and we are in Mabalacat City here in Pampanga to feature this two-story modern design property located in an exclusive subdivision which has a quick access to North Luzon Expressway. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blooming Properties, Pampanga. Back. So, hindi tayo nakapag-intro sa labas because as you can see, umuulan po at bumabagyo. Pero, ayan. So, nag-intro tayo sa loob at dito tayo ngayon sa ating wide porch. Ang lot area po natin ay 194 square meters and our floor area is 300 square meters floor area. So, you can see yan. Dito yung ating wide porch. Nandito yung ating entrance gate. And kung saan kayo nakapwesto, dyan yung ating parking. So that's a two-car carport na I think automated yung gate. Yes, with an automated gate. So makita nyo na lang sa mga montage natin. At dito naman, the property is a corner lot. Kaya napaka-spacious ng property natin. Meron din siyang pool area which is ito ang papakita natin ngayon. This is your pool area. Lalakad lang ako dito for you to appreciate kung gaano kalawak at kung gaano kahaba ang ating pool area. Yan, that is your pool area. Meron ka pang space dito for small gatherings. You can add tables here. At sa side na to, nandito yung ating dirty kitchen. Nandito rin yung ating laundry area. May daan din yan from the inside na papakita natin mamaya. Kaya, pasok na tayo. Doon nakita nyo na sa ating intro kanina, dahil doon tayo nag-intro nga. Okay, this is your, ang part na to, dito na yung iyong, you have a view of your pool area from your living area and your dining area. So this side, we'll show you pagpasok natin. Bago tayo pumunta doon, pakita ko lang yung accent natin. Tignan mo naman ang ating, may mga wood accent tayo, yung mga, ang ganda ng mga linear lights natin. At sa ceiling natin, wood accent din tayo with pin lights. Ang dami niyan, kaya makikita nyo, maliwanag po ang ating property. Before tayo pumasok, kung saan kayo nakapwesto kanina, this is your two-car carport. Grabe ang ganda. Groove lines, tapos cement finish, and then ang ganda ng light natin. Fully covered yung ating parking area. Ayan po. Hindi po kasama yung sasakyan. Just to show you lang yung luwang nung ano natin. Doon nakagitna siya, but this property can accommodate two. This is made for two cars. So this is a two-car carport. As I mentioned, fully covered. You have an accent wall with a wood design, pin lights, and also may mga LED strips ka to give emphasis to your wall that is a cement-finished wall. Nakikita nyo naman, automated yung gate natin, so may remote po tayo dyan. Swinging siya. And you also have a simple garden here. You can add more plants. On my left, dito na po yung pagpasok natin. It's already open, but I just want to show you kung gaano po kaganda yung ating door. This is your massive, solid wood na door. As you can see, yung height niya. It's not your usual size at even yung width niya, no? It's very wide. And also, this is not your, it's a pivot door. So, mapapansin nyo, mayroon tayong vertical axis dyan kung saan nagro-rotate yung ating pintuan. So, yung usual doors natin, mga hinges yung nandito, but this one is a pivot door. So, bubuksan natin ito para makapasok tayo. Nakita nyo na to during intro, but for a closer look, this is your living area. Everything you see during our house tour, these are all included. So, itong ating set, kasama po yan. The carpet, even ang mga wall designs and paintings po natin. Ang ganda nito kasi these are made of wood na mga chinap na wood, tapos pinagdikit-dikit. And then, they made it into a frame, and then meron kang LED strip dyan. Naging accent na siya ng ating living area. Lalong-lalo na, marami po tayong mga wood accent sa ating property. Can I walk here? Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung inyong, under your stairwell, meron ka kasing, may mga hanging shelves ka dito sa iyong stairwell. At pwede mo yung lagyan ng, photos or anything you want to put there. Yung iba, they put shoes there. Pwede naman ding shoes yung ilalagay mo dyan. And then this side, for babies, pwede pa, maluwang pa po ang iyong pwesto dito. Alright, next. Dito tayo sa ating dining area. Your dining area, ito yung kaninang door. This is parang fixed window. Kasi meron ka lang namang door dito. An access going to your pool area. But this one, naka-fix po yan. And from where I'm standing at, mapapansin nyo, high ceiling po tayo. You have a high ceiling. May accent pa yung mga walls natin. Your chandelier, your center light. Ayan. You also have pin lights. And then may mga LED strip pa tayo. At wide window sa taas. Mapapansin nyo, meron tayong mga curtain. May curtain tayo dyan para matakpan yung ating wide window. Diba? So, yung part na yan, pwede mo yan buksan. If you like your natural light, pwede rin naman siyang nakasara. Alrighty. So, this is your dining area. A solid wood table with 6 chairs. At meron kang painting dyan. And few steps, nandito na yung formal kitchen na very spacious. Extensive siya. You have your cooktop and your range hood. You have your modular cabinets. Hindi lang sa taas, you also have meron ka rin dito sa baba. Yan. White quartz countertop for your microwave. Though you already have your microwave, but ito parang sa mga condiments or snacks. And then double bowl stainless steel sink. Ang haba ng preparation area mo. Look, oh. Diba? You can add dito. You can make this your coffee corner or that one. Pwede. Kasi you have socket here. And you have splashboard. Ang cute ng splashboard mo kasi madali siyang linisan. And aside from that, dahil dark colored siya, so yung mga oil splashes mo dyan, even if madali na matanggal, hindi pa siya gaanong halata or hindi siya mahahalata. White quartz countertop. L-shape. Ay, hindi, parang, yeah. L-shape. And then, dito, maluwang pa. Oven and microwave. And of course, your side-by-side refrigerator. These are all included. Double bowl pala yung stainless steel sink na may drainer na rin. And you have your breakfast nook. Breakfast nook slash your dish rack. Kasi, breakfast nook mo na siya, tapos dish rack na siya. Kasi, dito sa side na to, nandito yung pull out. There you go. You have a pull out for your dishes. I think this one too, but we can't open kasi may mga nakalagay po dito. But yes, you can pull it out there. Pwede kang kumain dito. You can add, a chair here. Or you can just, make it just a preparation area as well. Kung hindi pa sapat sa'yo ang mga places dito or if you have some stuff here, this can be your preparation area with, ang cute ng mga drop lights because meron siyang mga pagka-industrial touch. No? You have your black metal dyan. And the color is gold which is matching sa ating wood accent. Next, ito yung your refrigerator, so that is new. That is also included. This is your pantry. Yan. So, also, yan. Diyan na rin nilagay yung iyong, I think this is for the, internet lang naman. So, hindi pa lang siya na-position, kaya nandyan. Pero, ililipat din naman po yan. Meron ka rin cabinet dito. Tinakpan niya yung breaker, but still, you can put some things here. This door behind me, this one goes to, kung saan ako nakatayo kanina, yung sabi ko na, this goes to your dirty kitchen, laundry area. So, this is the door. This is the access door. Paglabas mo, okay, to my right, this is where your pool pump is. And your water tank. Your pool pump and your water tank. So, bakit may water tank? Malakas naman po yung water dito, but since you have a pool, it really helps to have a water tank para mas mabilis yung ng water natin. And this one, this is your centralized water heater system. So, alam niyo na yun, centralized po ang ating water heater, meaning ang mga faucet po natin, hot and cold na po sila. This room, this is your maid's room. Yan, your maid's room, and this can accommodate a single bed, a double deck, pwede rin, and then you also have a space here. Hindi lang ako makapunta masyado dito dahil may mga gamit pa. But you can put a dresser here or cabinet. Pwede pa siya. Next to your maid's room, meron ka ring full bath. So you have a full bath, sink, toilet, and shower, rain shower. Mapapansin nyo, wala siyang heater because meron na tayong centralized water heater. So, you don't need that. This is your laundry area, washing machine, service area with your, service area or dirty kitchen. Mayroon ka na rin sink dyan. At ito yung kaninang pinakita ko na going to your pool area. Huwag na tayong papasok kasi baka madulas tayo. Let's go, pasok tayo. Pagpasok mo, bago tayo umakyat, meron siyang room sa baba, and this is your gym. Included po lahat ng nakikita ninyo. Hala, natakot ako, akala ko mahuhulog. So, ayan, kasama po lahat yan. But just in case that you don't want it to be your gym, pwede mo rin naman itong i-convert to a room because you also have this side. You have an accent wall here for your TV. May nakaabang na dyan. It can be a room, an office, pwede din siya. So, multifunctional po yung room na to. But these are included. Okay, let's go. Ayan, doon ng full bath natin at ang taas ng ating door. Pagpasok mo, ang design ng sink natin ay pa-slope. There. And fix ito dito. Dahil nga, hot and cold na po yung water natin. You have your vanity mirror, toilet, tempered glass partition, floor-to-ceiling tiles, niche, and your stainless steel shower set in black color, your rain shower, and your hand shower. Ganda ng tiles natin dahil hindi po siya madulas. Okay, next, akyat na tayo. At habang lumalakad tayo, mapapansin nyo na, ayan, high ceiling yan. Wide yung ating stairwell. Kahit dalawang sabay umakyat, hindi sila magbabanggaan. You have a metal and glass railing with wooden handrail. From your angle, makita nyo na high ceiling po tayo. From there, you have a view of your living area or yan, sa mismong receiving view, living area and your dining area. Just want to appreciate your decorative wall with lights. Diba, ang cute. And then, ito yung iyong wide window, the one that I mentioned na you can open that kung gusto mong natural light. Pwedeng fully i-close yung curtain or ayan, meron tayong nakalimutan ko yung tawag sa ganyang curtain. Pero the one that magpa-pass through pa yung light. Okay. Chandelier, kita rin dito. And to my right, you have two rooms here with ensuite toilet and bath. So this is your first bedroom sa yung second floor. Alright. Yan, para mas makita nyo kung gaano siya kalaki. I think this is queen size. Ang ganda ng natin, this is your headboard. Meron kang decorative wall or your wall accent sa yung headboard. Fluted panels. May control ka sa light dito going to your TV area or TV console. Side table or side drawer. Oh, 75 inches, sir. No? TV, pwede. Mount mo dyan to save space dito. But if you want naman na nasa baba, pwede rin naman. Hanging drawer. And your bed, meron pa yung pull-out. So, meron ka pang... Ang pull-out na to, for your linens, or the pull-out drawers for your linens, for your pillow, pwede rin dyan. Cutie. Dito na muna ako siguro. Built-in cabinet. Hang your clothes there. Double hang tayo. Tapos meron tayong space sa taas. Shelves for your bag or your shoes. Sara natin to para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung space natin. I see a full body mirror here na pwede mong ilagay. May space ka pa dito. Pwede ka maglagay ng table for your study table or vanity area. Pwede ka dito. And since meron siyang ensuite toilet and bath, ito po yun. Same design yung nasa baba. Slope din yung iyong sink. Floor to ceiling tiles. You have your tempered glass partition. Ayan yung iyong toilet. Ang luwang, oh. Shower set. And, of course, centralized water heater po tayo. So, wala kang makikitang heater dyan because hot and cold na po yan. Meron tayong another door. And this goes to your balcony with, meron siyang artificial grass. Alright. This is your first balcony because this property has 2 balconies. And this is your first balcony. Umuulan pa. And as you can see, low maintenance po ang ating artificial grass. Wood accent. At yung wall, meron kang groove lines. Painted siya. And this space, you can put coffee table or you can put a rattan swing. Or you can add more plants if you want to put plants here. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng plants dito. And, ayan. Doon na tayo sa ating next bedroom. Pagbukas nito, nandun na siya sa right. Another bedroom with ensuite toilet and bath. Dito pa lang, pagpasok mo, meron ka ng space dito. You can add a cabinet here for your shoes. Diba? Sobrang spacious niya. Included, you can add another sofa dito. Or if let's say, bago po kayong couple with a baby, safe po ang crib niya here. A really good space for your baby, di ba? And your built-in cabinet. Actually, maluwang pa dito. If you want to remove this and add another sofa, pwede rin. Ang ganda ng accent wall natin. May LED strip tayo dyan. Cement finish with groove lines. Ang ganda naman ng ating foam. Oh, hindi siya yung ordinary mattress. Very nice. And may pull-out siya. May pull-out siya for a single bed. So if you can remove this, and then pull out mo yan, kasyang-kasya yan dito sa space na to. TV console, hang your TV here. 75 inches kasya. Hanging drawers or hanging shelves. Wow. Another spacious portion or corner dito. Pag inalis mo to, kasyang single bed din naman dito. Sobrang spacious. Alam mo, parang master's to sa laki. Ganun siya kalaki. Parang junior master suite. Ganun. Ensuite toilet and bath. Same details po. Slope yung ating sink. And as you can see, fixed yung ating faucet dyan. Floor to ceiling tiles. Black shower. Or stainless steel black shower set. Rain shower, hand shower, and thermoglass partition. Glossy finish na tiles. Again, floor to ceiling po yung tiles natin. Alright, I think doon na tayo sa master bedroom because we only have one more room dito. Paglabas mo sa master bedroom, meron kang view dito. Diba? Ang ganda. Have a view of your living area. Pag may pumasok, makikita mo. And then, if you want to see sa labas, open mo lang yan. Makikita mo na yun doon sa labas. Para siyang painting na malaki. And then you have your drop light or your chandelier with your wood accent sa yung ceiling. This is your master bedroom. So, kung nalakihan kayo doon, I'm expecting, kasi hindi ko pa ito nakita. So, nalakihan ako doon sa junior master suite. Let's see kung gaano kalaki yung master bedroom. Oh! Okay. Wow. Ang bango. This is your master bedroom, king size bed. At very cozy yung Very cozy yung dating ng room. High ceiling. You have curtains here because meron kang window. Here as well. Spacious pa rin dito. Very nice. King size bed. Kasama na po yan yung ating bed frame. Ang ganda na yung accent wall. These are fluted panels. And then yung part na to, hindi lang siya design but also very functional. You can, if you like reading during, before ka mag-sleep, tapos wala ka dito sa side na to, pwedeng dyan mo ilagay your phone, pwede rin dyan. Or if you love yung mga succulent, pwede rin dyan para mag-add ng oxygen sa yung, sa yung room. And ano ba to? Okay. One more door. Oh, yeah. Dalawa nga pala yung balcony. So your master bedroom, meron din siyang sarili niyang balcony. Your balcony. Coffee table or like a couch. Rattan, pwede rin diyan. Next. Pagpasok mo sa iyong toilet and bath, you will be welcomed. Look at this space. You will be welcomed by your vanity area. Mag-add ka ng chair dyan. At hindi lang siya for one. Kasi kasya dalawa. O sabay ka mag-makeup ng friend mo, ng bestie mo, di ba? You still have space here. Tignan mo naman yung door. Pag sara, sobrang dami pang space dito. Di ba? And then, this is also your walk-in closet. See, ang luwang. Tsaka hindi ka, mabilis ka makapagbihis. If you want to put a full body mirror doon, pwede ka rin maglagay doon dahil ample yung space. Look at that. There. And next to your, diba? Ang luwang. Next to your walk-in closet, dito na yung master bathroom. Nandito yung iyong salamin. Slope pa rin yung style ng iyong sink. Your toilet, your enclosed shower area. Very spacious. Papasok tayo for you to appreciate. Ayan. Yung height, perfect siya. Walang, kasi sometimes masyadong mababa. Pag naliligo, pumapano pa rin yung water sa kabila. Black stainless steel shower set. And ditong side na to, dyan yung shower mo. At sa side naman na to, this is your bathtub. This is included. Sobrang luwang niya. Hindi siya pinilit. Because you know, like, some properties, like, hindi sinadya to put the bathtub dun sa mga properties. Nagkataon lang na maluwang yung space. But this one, kung makita nyo, perfect yung size niya because meron pa siya ditong space. Diba? Some parang saktong-sakto lang, but this one, this is really provision or this was really made for this bathtub. Ang ganda ng bathtub natin. And of course, floor-to-ceiling tiles. Ang ganda ng space natin dito. Pwede ka maglagay ng hamper dyan. Ang luwang, ang luwang niya, parang isang buong kwarto na siya. So there you have it. Balik tayo sa ating ground floor para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a two-story modern design property located in an exclusive subdivision with a quick access to North Luzon Expressway here in Mabalacat City in Pampanga. It has a lot area of 194 square meters lot area and it's a corner lot. At ang kanyang floor area is 300 square meters floor area. You can reach us through our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. At sa inyong mga inquiries, pwede po kayong mag-send ng message sa amin sa Messenger. We also have other different messaging platforms, WhatsApp, Viber, at ang mga numbers po nandiyan din. Email din, nandiyan na rin po sa description. So, send us your message if you're interested. Again, follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga, because we post reels before pa po ma-post yung full video natin sa ating YouTube channel. You can also follow me on TikTok, BP Pampanga, and Instagram, BP Pampanga, Enalalu, my TikTok account, and my Instagram account, Enalalu, to book your trippings. Because as of this moment, actually, before po nag-start yung house tour natin, Kaya kung napansin nyo, medyo madilim na. Meron na pong mga nag-tripping. So if you're interested, pwede na po kayong mag-book ng trippings po to view this property. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blooping Properties Pampanga, where your house is. In an exclusive subdivision, ulit. 2-story modern design property. Ay, sandali, ang pangit. Our lot area is 1 high. Sandali, sir, nakalimutan ko, kaka-check ko lang. Ano, matigas ka? Hindi ka bubukas. Bumubukas talaga siya. Ulit, sir.